So we've loaded our test plan for the nonlinear load location. You can see that for each test case, the nonlinear load test cases are already selected, so we can go ahead and press start. Now we will have a reminder to have our device in loopback mode. We can press OK. And then we want to grab our antenna, so we'll press grab antenna on holder, and as usual, the robot will go ahead and move and pick up the antenna on the holder. Just like you're used to, the robot will move into position, and then once in position, it will turn on its suction, which will pick up the reference PICC class 2, and then it will move the reference PICC into the test position like you're used to. And then we can continue in MP Manager to follow the directions to make the necessary connections and make the correct jumper change for the set of test cases we wish to execute. Once the robot has stopped moving, go ahead and click Validate within MP Manager to move to the next screen. The screen will tell you that the robot will then move down into contact with your device under test, at which point we will do the usual set of operations, which consists of making the connections and then changing the jumper. So there you can see the connections that need to be made. Go ahead and make those connections. And then once you're done, you'll move forward to the jumper screen. Here on the jumper screen, you can see that we need to move the jumper into the nonlinear load location. Once that's done, you can simply press start, and every single test case that uses this nonlinear load jumper location will execute one after the other. Once all of those test cases are complete, every test case for this reference PICC and the nonlinear load location will be complete. Then you can move forward to the next test section. You can probably see how this process will save you a lot of time. You don't need to change jumpers between interim sets of test cases. You can execute them all at the same time.